This is a big tomato. I know you're all growing 2 4-pound tomatoes out there, but for me this is the biggest one I've ever had, so that's great. Unfortunately, my little helper broke my scales yesterday, of course. So it's not very heavy, so I doubt that it's even a pound, but I will show you the size of this tomato. That's all I can do at this point. So it's about 3.5 inches across. And you tell me, how much weight do those average? You guys have grown a lot more tomatoes than I have. Overall, not a bad little harvest from my garden. I also picked a couple of okra pods. Thank you all for your comments. So these are about 4 inches long, and there are only a couple of them, so I'll throw them in the stir fry tonight. Thanks for watching.